What's going on, guys? Adam again, back with Atomic Garage. Yes, we are here inside of the bomb shop, and I just needed to talk to you guys, give you guys a little update, let you guys know what we've got going on. Nothing much really, I'll be honest with you. I think I might have potentially burnt myself out. Going so hardcore trying to get the shop to where it is now, kind of really just, I feel real slack. I'm just gonna call it plain as day what it is. I don't really feel like doing it anymore. Like, I have paint to paint the shop, okay? I've got this primer, as you can see down, can't see it. Got some primer down there that I'm gonna use with some paint that hasn't been opened. But really, guys, I just haven't found the want to actually go ahead and get started with everything. But I know I need to, because as you guys have seen behind me, it's hard to really move around. I mean, you got stuff everywhere. I've got a shelf full of stuff there. We've got more stuff there, engine parts down there. I can't even walk. I can't get through anywhere. But I am making this video, guys, because I need you guys' help on how am I gonna do this. Now, I know originally I said that I wanted to make everything look nice, simplistic, clean. You're not seeing a bunch of stuff. But honestly, guys, that means either A, a lot of money, or B, a lot of time. That's honestly what it just means. And quite honestly, I'm trying to save money because I've got a lot of other stuff going on. And quite honestly, I don't feel like putting any more time in it. Like, I really want to mess with the BMW. I really want to get that going, because I really want to get into some car shows or just do some crazy stuff. And it's my first time having a BMW, and I just really want to have fun with it. But I need help with how I'm going to set up this shop. As you guys can see, I've got a shelf right there. Will it stay right there? Not 100%. I don't know. But I like it for the most part. It can have a lot of stuff. How can I clean this up a little bit? It's still going to be exposed. I'm not going to get around that. But how can it look a little bit nicer than what it is? Also, benches. How would you guys set up this workshop? This is an open-ended question. How would you set everything up? I know for one thing, I've got my drill press that's on the floor, tucked away down here. What I want to do is I want to build like a small little mobile wheels kind of deal where I can roll it around and I can use that by itself. And I want to build another small one that goes right beside it for a grinder. So I can just move those around wherever I need to and start grinding, start drilling, stuff like that. Keep them tucked up against the wall so they're not always in the way, as it were. But here we go, guys. Let me show you what we've got going. Boom, you got the garage door here. Got the garage door here. The side door here. And we've got various metals in that little corner right there. Various metals over there. So we've got more trash and stuff that I need to move. We've got engine parts. We've got some heads. Can't remember exactly what heads those are. I think those are from a 351. Yeah, definitely. I can see the head bolt size, 1/2 inch. That's a 351. Anyway, we've got shop vac, a shovel. Good Lord. We've got our handy dandy Harbor Freight welder. We've got a metal workhorse. This is something that I like. So I actually was delivering to a store, I believe it was Walgreens, and they had this little winter essentials makeup thing. And I said, you know, that'll be good to actually utilize it, minus the box fan there, for oils, not the tripod, oils, paint, all of that stuff. And on the other side is going to have other stuff like all of my necessary brake cleaners, WD-40s, all of that, lubricants, different things there, and some detail stuff down here, more oils and stuff down here. Then further down we got oil filters, and of course the drill press, Harbor Freight 6.5 horsepower engine. And we've got this whole wall over here. What I want to know is, how should I set this up? Should I have the benches to the sides there and both sides and keep that in the middle? I don't know. I need some suggestions. I haven't figured out this whole thing, so I could certainly use you guys' help. So that's it for today, guys. Not really doing anything crazy so far, but I at least want to get an update and you guys' opinion on how we can make this thing look nice, besides of course painting white, because I'm gonna do it. I just need to find the motivation to. But anyway, that's it for me today, guys. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Chuki beat.